A winter storm watch for the entire viewing area beginning Saturday night, lasting right through Sunday, and it will end overnight on Sunday. But we've got our own issues this evening. If you're headed out to basketball games, there's going to be a blowing and drifting issue because the winds will really start to increase, especially after 7 o'clock. You can see the gusts here. Now there's around 7, gusts to 25, and notice there's 11, there's 1 a.m. We're getting gusts up around 30, and they're sustained at 16, 17 miles an hour, and it's going to be windy right into tomorrow. So with winds out of the south and southwest, there's going to be a lot of blowing and drifting snow, especially on east-west roads. Good news is the temperature will rise tonight, but wind chills will still be low. 0 at 11, -4, 9, and then running in the single digits even tomorrow morning, despite temperatures in the 20s. So after the blowing and drifting issues this evening through the overnight and into tomorrow, we watch the snow coming in Saturday night into Sunday. 6 to as much as 11 inches in the viewing area with some pretty big drifts with that wind. We could have some drifts over 3 feet, especially in rural areas with the coldest weather since 1999, but the coldest wind chill, if you will, since 1994. There's a clipper here, and there's a low developing in the northern Gulf and a very strong upper jet. Now what will happen, the lows will combine, the upper jet will strengthen, and that will in turn strengthen the developing storm over Kentucky. That will eventually produce another blizzard in the northeast. But with the storm being strong and the Arctic high here bringing in the very cold air, there'll be a little gradient of wind across the area that'll really blow that snow around. Tomorrow warms up, though. Despite all the wind, we'll have highs upper 20s to low 30s, 32 Romney Lafayette, and 31 at Fowler. But Sunday, these numbers will occur early in the day, then fall pretty rapidly. 15 for the high Morocco, 20 Lafayette, 24 Kokomo, and 24 Crawfordsville, 19 at Pine Village. Sunday night, we drop below 0 from the 17 below Rensselaer, 11 below Crawfordsville, Thorntown, 14 degrees below 0 at Lafayette and Logansport. Partly cloudy tonight into tomorrow. This is tomorrow morning at 8. This is afternoon. Other than the wind, no other weather issues, just the wind and the blowing snow. There won't be any snow falling from the sky, but that changes tomorrow night. This is 5:30, and finally, 8:30, snow comes in from the northwest. It overspreads the viewing area with time tomorrow night, and it looks like the worst of the snow, the heaviest rate would tend to be on Sunday afternoon. That's 6:30 in the morning. That's about 10 o'clock in the morning, but notice the heavier bands coming up from the southwest afternoon and kind of peaking around 3, 4 o'clock. This is heavy snow here in our southeastern counties and moderate snow as far northwest as Rensselaer. And then it starts to lighten up by 7, 8 o'clock, and the snow gets out of here by 10 p.m., and then it's just brutally cold. 6 to 8 inches for most of the viewing area. Now Kokomo to Frankfort to about Darlington and Ladoga, 8 to 10, and about Atlanta to Tipton. That'll be kind of the bullseye where you could get 10, 11 inches out of this, and the wind chills. Now, not only Monday morning, but Tuesday morning, 30 to as much as 45 degrees below 0. Dangerous cold on the way, and we're only going to rise to about -8 on Monday. The high on Tuesday, -2. And another clipper, though this won't be a strong one. We're not going to see a merger of two systems. It'll just be one with 1 to 3 inches of snow Wednesday. Then it moderates. 30 will feel downright balmy by Friday.
Yeah, that is dangerously cold, isn't it?
Yeah, it's one of